Good morning, Randall Postiglione. This is for Joliet Montessori. We're talking math. Okay, we're talking math. I don't have an agenda today because I'm doing this because in Station 34, by the way, it's Tuesday, April 28th, okay, 2020. We're on lockdown still. I'm teaching from my living room. This is a virtual class. And by that I mean I want to hear from you guys more. You have been more and more contacting me via email. This is important. We have a few weeks left of this year, and let's go out with a bang, huh? Let's try to learn as much as we can. Okay, I know I said in our last video, by the way, this is video 12. I did say that we were going to do some graphing of quadratics. I'm going to put that off until Thursday, okay? I just want to go through a few of these problems on Station 34 that you had trouble with. And I got to tell you, they are pretty hard, okay? They are pretty hard. Let's look at number 4. Okay, remember this is Station 34. Looks like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera closer to my easel here because some of you have been complaining that you can't see it. So here we go. Okay, hope that shows up better. Okay. Number 4, a stereo is marked down $75. Okay. If this is a 15% decrease, find the sale, and sale is in italics. Find the sale price. Okay. We're gonna have to use algebra here. Okay. I know there's other ways to avoid it, but really that's why we use algebra. It makes things easier. As I've always told you in the past, you've got to know the gist of the question. You have to understand the problem before you can undertake solving it. Okay? Makes a lot of sense. Now, where most of you made your mistake was the first line is, a stereo is marked down $75. It doesn't say it is marked down to $75. It is marked down $75. In other words, there's an original price and they subtracted $75 from it. Okay? Gotta know that. Okay, what I do right away when I see problems like this, I'm going to assign a variable. What is the unknown here? Well, I'm thinking that original price is the unknown, right? Because they don't tell us. They say it's marked down $75 and this is a 15% decrease from the original price. They want to know the sale price. Now, I'm thinking, before I know what the sale price is, I got to know what the original price is. Once I know what the original price is, then I can just subtract the $75 and I've got my answer. Okay? There was another mistake that you guys made because you gave me the original price, you figured that out, but you didn't subtract the $75. So here's what I'm going to write. First of all, I'm going to say the original price is X. Original price. Okay? The original price is X. So, if we subtract 75 from that, we're getting the sale price, right? So, I'm going to take the X and I'm going to subtract 75. $75. Okay, then it says this is 15% decrease. Okay? That is, we've talked about this a million times, equals. Is equals. All right? So we have an equation happening here. The 15% decrease, well, how do I get that? If I knew what the original price was, okay, I could subtract 15%, 0.15, of the original price from it. Okay? Hope that's sinking in. All right. I got my equation here. I can solve for X. I can find out what that original price is. Okay? Now, some of you are hip to this, some of you aren't, but when you have the same thing on both sides, you can just cross them out because you're going to subtract X from both sides, right? If I subtract X from both sides, away goes the X. But I still have this X over here, see? So, I don't have a lot of room here, so I'm going to just assume that you know we don't need those X's. Okay? Just using the algebra here, right? We're just solving an equation. So I got a negative 75 equals negative 0.15x. Now, here's another algebra trick. We know in an equation, we can change all the signs. In essence, what we're doing is we're dividing by a negative 1, right? If you divide both sides by negative 1, these become positive. Because a negative divided by a negative is a positive, right? Okay, so now, pretty easy. All I have to do here is divide by 0.15. Okay. Now, if I divide by the 0.15, okay, I'm going to get X equals 500. Now, that's $500, right? Which is the original price. They want to know what the sale price is. Got to subtract the $75 from it. $425. Okay? Take a look at this. You can rewind me, go back, look at it again. All right? But the first thing is you've got to know what they're asking for. You've got to understand the problem. Okay? You've got to go to that English and figure out, hey, how do I change this to algebra? All right? That's what we did. We found, we assigned original price to the X, the unknown, right? And we made our equation, okay? Solve the equation. Once again, we go back to the gist of the problem, which is sale price. So we had to subtract that $75, which was a markdown, okay? It wasn't that one little word was not there. It did not read Asterio is marked down to $75. It's marked down $75. Okay? So we had to subtract the 75. All right. Hope you got that. That was number 4. The next one that you guys had trouble with was number 10. Gracie received a monthly raise of $162.50. Okay? Her $162.50 was the raise. It wasn't her new salary. It was the raise. Okay? So here we're going the other way. We're taking original salary and making that X. Because, see, once again, it says if this represented a 6.5% increase, okay, remember the other one was a markdown. Well, this is a markup. She's getting an increase. What is her monthly salary after the raise? Well, it's really the very, very similar problem. Okay, original salary X, the X plus the 162.50. That's going to be her new salary per month. She's making some money, huh? She's making some bank here. So equals, now once again, that original salary, and this is kind of foggy for some of you. The original salary plus, now I'm going to make 0.065x. This is her raise. Okay, 6.5% of times her original salary is the raise. Now we have to add that to the X, right? To her original salary. Just like before, the X's go out. We're dividing 0.065 into this raise, 162.50. This is 1. Okay. And let's see, what do we get there? Get 2,500. Okay? Not the answer. That's what she normally made per month. You have to add the 162.50 to it. Okay, so the answer is 266,250. And I applaud some of you for getting this. Some of you guys did manage to get this. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, proud of you. All right, that was number 10. One more. It was on the second page. It was number 15. Tommy's salary increased by $4,500, which represents a 15% raise. What is his new salary? Okay. It increased by $4,500. Okay. Let's see. And this represented the 15% raise. Same problem. Okay, different numbers, different names, okay? But this number 15 is just like number 10. Okay? So I want you to try that yourself. I've gone pretty far here already. This is the only video that you're going to see today, Thursday, or even tomorrow. I'll make you a new one. We got to start looking at graphs of quadratic equations. Guys, I hope all of you are well. I miss you like crazy, okay? I really miss, coming to the adolescent house, seeing the chickens, breathing the air. Miss you. Okay, hope to see you soon. Stay safe. God bless you.